Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can share the doc file on the docs app. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the docs app. So as you can see, I have already downloaded it. Now simply we have to go to the docs app. I'm going to clicking on this. So as you can see, after clicking on the doc app, as you can see now that all the documents will be open like this. Now you have to choose that which document you want to share. For example, I want to share this one, so I will click on these three dots, and after that, as you can see, you will get in share option here. So we have to clicking on the share option, and now we have to add a group of the people whom with we want to share. Now simply I am going to click on this profile section, and now this is the restricted, so we have to make it anyone with link here. And now simply we have to get the link, so you have to click on this option and you will get the copy link. Now you have to choose the axis with the link. For example, viewer, commenter, or the editor. For example, I want the viewer, so we have to copy the link, and now we can share the link with anyone. So in this way, in this easy way, you can share your doc file with anyone. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.